You need a hero. Oh, I need a hero. You need a hero. I need a hero. You need a hero. I need a hero. You need a hero. We need a hero. So if you need a hero and you need someone to go and save you, heroes in my soul, and you know that what I'm gonna do for you, You need somebody that they got your back, they save you every single time. I wanna be your hero every single day. They know it's am and I. You need a hero. Oh yes, you said you needed me. You need a hero. I'm doing this up on the street. You need a hero. You know what I wanna do. I do. You need a hero. Oh yes, I wanna do for you. Just for you. So every hero that don't even have to have a cape to fly. Just to fly. They just gotta be the one to hold you down there every single time. Every time. So if you going down, if you feeling bad, I will go pick you up. I pick you up. So if you need that, I will go get there so you won't be stuck. Say you need a hero. You need a hero. That's what you see. You need a hero over here, but still I'm over here is where I be. Say you need a hero every time you say you feeling low. You need a hero, now I'm gonna come on over here to your show. Say you need a hero. You need a hero when I get enough. I'm getting up. Then I'm gonna keep you down and the hero gonna make sure that it's up. Said I need a hero over here because I know the people in some crime. Some people's over there, the other people and they still they're wasting mine. Said I need a hero. I need a hero when I wanna rhyme. Said I need a hero that don't have to have a cake to save me every time. It could be just for support because I said I had some low time. I need a hero that could make me survive like every single time. Said I need a hero when you need a hero. Yes, you need it just for me. You need a heroes over there. Everybody, this is what you see. You need a hero as I'm doing this and you say I'm doing that today. I need a heroes over here because you know the people wanna go and stay. They go and stay. Said I need a hero in my mind, like every single time. I need a hero, got my back, and you know I'm gonna do on time. I'm not gonna have you wait because I want you to shine, just to shine. I need a hero over here, that why you telling them I do not mind. Said I need a hero in a hero, said they said they also need someone. Some heroes over there, some of them still don't wanna have have some fun. Have some fun. The heroes over here tonight. You said the heroes up for the soul. For the soul. The heroes over here saying that yes, I wanna go and see you grow. See you grow. Said I need a hero, yes a hero, yes it said you need a hero too. Hero too. I'm starting off and slow to end, I will pick it up, that's what I do. What I do. So when you need some help, you can always call me, cause I am the one. Am the one. To making sure that you is happy and you got to go and have some fun. Have some fun. Say you need a hero that will get you down and wanna get you off the street. Off the street. Say you need a hero like me and you know I'm gonna be up on this thing. On this thing. Say I need a hero is a hero when you say I wanna get it real. Get it real. Said I need a hero every day, but still I say, oh yes, that's what I do. What's the deal? Say you need a hero, it's a hero when the hero coming in the house. In the house. Said I need a heroes over here, but now you say that heroes in my house. In my house. I need a hero, yes you know I need a hero when I wanna say. I need a hero and you need a hero every day. Every day. You need a hero and you need a hero when I say the hero time. Hero time. So every time the hero's got your back and you know